How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now a lot of times we might have the accounts of same name, or we might have more than one account but you do not use it. So in that case, simply tap on the search bar at the top and then search for that particular account that you want to delete. So just search for that name over here, and if you find that name, you can just tap on their profile and then tap on the three dotted lines. Here you can just tap on report profile option. So as you tap on report profile, you can tap on pretending to be someone over here. Here you can tap on me and then you can just tap on submit and you can submit that application, and the team of Facebook will contact you within 24 hours and also help you get it deleted without your password, email, phone, and username. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.